Hey honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you this instant up and down, and this is from the Sensational brand. Almost dropped it. But yeah, so this is it. I got the color 2, and you can actually wear this in 4 different styles. I don't know if you can see right here. You can wear it all the way down, ponytail, low ponytail, high ponytail, and then half up, half down. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do half up and half down. And yeah, I'm going to show you a quick trick that I do, because this brand doesn't put Velcro on their ponytail, so I feel like Velcro on the ponytail makes it so much easier. But before I get into that, I want to show you guys my natural hair. You see it? Yes, it's growing, and I just feel like I want to show you guys a little bit more what I'm doing with my natural hair, because yes, I am wearing a lot of protective styles, but I do some styles also without my different units and things like that. So this is actually one of them, and I'm going to show you guys. It's either going to be like a hair journal type of series where I'm just documenting what I do to grow my hair or keep it healthy, or either it's going to be just a couple of uploads here on my channel. But regardless, I'm going to show you guys how you grow your hair. And I was thinking, because this year I thought, oh, it would be nice to grow my hair waist length. That may be like a little... that may be a little too much, but we'll see. I really want to just grow my hair, so wherever it's really healthy and full, that's going to make me happy, because that's all that matters. But we'll talk more about that later. So let's get into this. Okay, so I want to show you guys the texture of this two-piece unit, and it's a wavy texture. It's looking really pretty, if you can see. So this is the piece that can either be worn as a half unit, or either just in the very back part for the half up and half down. So this is what I'll be wearing, half up, half down. So it has these two clips right here. And does it have a drawstring? Definitely has a drawstring right here in the back. So that is perfect. Yeah, it looks good. And then the next piece is the top ponytail. All right, so here it is. Okay. As you can see, it's shorter. It has like this band around it right here, and it has two clips, one here and one here on the side. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one. I may cut this one off on the side and keep this middle one, or I may keep the side and cut the top one. We'll see how that goes. But this is the piece of hair right here to wrap around your ponytail. And what I'm going to show you guys is that I like to add Velcro to my ponytails if they already don't have it. So I just put a Velcro piece on there so it can just attach, and I won't have to struggle with trying to get the clips to stay in place while I wrap the ponytail. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys real quick how I put the Velcro on. So I have the Velcro that's for fabric, and on the back I have the adhesive strip. So I first start out by measuring off how long I want the Velcro to be. So this Velcro is a permanent bun, so I'm just going to put it where I want it to be, which is at the edge of that fabric, and press firmly. For the side of Velcro that it actually sticks to, I measure it off the same way, but then I have to measure it against the first one just to make sure they're the same size, because of course, you know, they're going to be sticking together. And then after that, I do the same thing. I place it where I want it to be, which is on the opposite side at the edge of that fabric, and I hold firmly. Finally, I am going to let the Velcro sit overnight. So it has to sit for about 24 hours so it can be a permanent bun. It's the next day, and I got my nails done. I got them white and I love them. Okay, so let's get into this look. So I'm going to start by taking my hair down right quick, and I'm going to comb it out. Since my hair has been in a ponytail for a little while, I'm using a large tooth comb because I know I have a few tangles and I don't want to pull my hair out. Okay, my hair is combed all out, so I'm just going in with my brush and getting rid of that part because I had that middle part and it's been in my head for a while. Next, I'm sectioning off my hair, and the greatest part about this hairstyle is that your part doesn't have to be straight, so you don't have to spend a lot of time on that. I'm in a rush for time because I had some plans, but yeah, I just hurried up and I made a quick part. So this style only takes about 10 minutes, and I really like this two-piece unit. It's very convenient. Yes, it is synthetic hair, but it's super cute if you need it for, a day or something like that. You just want to take pictures or anything like that. And especially if you don't have time to go to the stylist and you don't want, your ponytail glued in. I'm using the Edge Booster Extra Strength and Moisture Rich Pomade, and this one is not water based, and I really like it for if your hair is straight, so it really lays my hair down pretty well. You're gonna see me work pretty hard on this ponytail, guys, because I believe this ponytail has to be laid, okay? You have to make sure that this ponytail is extra tight. And also, I am only using one of the ponytail holders, but I really suggest either a very large one or either two, because this is gonna be the anchor before you wrap on your ponytail. Also, I forgot to mention that you guys saw me clip my hair in the back because I did not want to have any issues with this ponytail, that the hair from the back is getting in the ponytail, because girl, it hurts. Next, I am twisting up my hair because this makes it so much easier when I'm putting on that ponytail. Alright, so for the back, I am combing it out right quick, and then I'm going to turn around and show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm brushing out the hair, and then I'm going to prepare to plait it up. You can also do a large cornrow as well, but the girl is not talented when it comes to doing cornrows, so a plait will do for me. So I'm using bobby pins, and I'm going to bring the braid upward, and then I'm going to bring it around, and I'm going to pin it towards the very back of my head. Since the hair that I'm putting on is so full and thick, I don't have to worry about this braid sticking out or anything like that. It's not a problem. I'm going to put the back piece on first, and there are some clips, and also there is a drawstring. So this is perfect, makes it tight. So when you put this piece on, you want to make sure that the clips are at the top of that part so your hair can look seamless. But also you want to make sure the clips are deep within your hair because you want to secure this unit as much as possible. You do not want it to shift, but make sure that it's comfortable. Looking good, okay. All right, so next I'm going to use some bobby pins for any part that I feel is loose because I do not want this to shift. Because this unit is so full, you do not have to worry about your bobby pins sticking out and being seen because it is so much hair. So actually for this, I am going to plait this hair. I could have left it the way it was, but for some reason, I just really love plaiting it up when it's a curly unit. It makes the ponytail more secured for me. Now I'm adding just a little bit of that edge booster at the tips so the braid won't unravel. So the Velcro looks good, and you can see right here exactly how it came out. So I decided that I wasn't going to take out the clips. I'm just using the first clip. I don't need the side second clip. And from there, I'm going to start wrapping that braid around the ponytail. It is so much easier when I have my head tilted this way, because you want to make sure that this braid is very, very tight around this ponytail, or else your ponytail will slip off. So I'm using the Aussie Freeze Spray, and this keeps the braid also in place, and it just makes everything more stiff, so I don't have to worry about it unraveling as soon as I'm tying it, because I did have that issue when I first did this hairstyle in the past. At the end of the braid, I am going to add a couple of bobby pins because I want this braid to stay in place. So I'm adding a little bit more freeze spray because I saw a couple of pieces that were sticking out from the wraparound piece. I decided to go ahead and do my edges. I'm just adding a little swoopity swoop, and I'm using the edge booster for this as well. I really love this Aussie hairspray, guys. It really holds my hair in place, and it stops a lot of those flyaways because I have so many short pieces of hair at the top of my head, so this is super helpful. So I'm using my wide tooth comb again, and I'm just combing it out just a tad bit. I don't want to comb too much out because I don't want to make it super frizzy. I'm adding some foam to my hair, and this is the Lotta Body foam. I love this foam. It's perfect for my synthetic units. It doesn't weigh them down too much. I just really love the texture, and the color match of my hair is perfect. They did this, okay? Sensational is just hitting right now because this unit is so pretty. I cannot get enough of this. The brand Sensational, they just hit, okay guys? If you are looking for some good synthetic hair, I feel like this is a great brand for you to check out. But just remember that with any synthetic hair you get, you are going to experience some tangles and you're going to experience some shedding. So do not forget that. So I'll have products in this hair linked in my Amazon store, so please check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think and how my hair came out. If you like it, would you rock this look? What you feel? Tell me, sis. I want to know.